How to fix yourself. Ever feel stuck? Like no matter what you do, you can't seem to move forward? Maybe you're unhappy with where you are in life, or you keep falling into the same bad habits. The truth is, only you can fix yourself. No one is coming to save you. But the good news, you have the power to change everything. This is your wake-up call. Let's get to work. Step 1. Take full responsibility. The first step to fixing yourself is accepting that you are the problem, and that's a good thing. Because if you're the problem, then you are also the solution. Stop blaming your past, your circumstances, or other people. Winners don't make excuses, they make changes. Ask yourself, what am I doing wrong? What do I need to improve? Own it, then fix it. Step 2. Delete weak habits. You can't build a better life with the same bad habits. Scrolling for hours, skipping workouts, procrastinating. Those small choices are holding you back. Replace them with discipline. Wake up early, exercise daily. Read instead of binge watching. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you become stronger. Step 3. Embrace the grind. There's no shortcut. If you want to fix yourself, you have to put in the work, even when you don't feel like it. Success isn't about motivation, it's about consistency. Work when others sleep. Learn when others gossip. Stay focused when others quit. The grind is where greatness is built. Step 4. Surround yourself with winners. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your friends are lazy, negative, or unmotivated, guess what? You'll become like them. Find people who challenge you, inspire you, and push you to be better. If you can't find them, become that person first. Step 5. Never stop growing. Fixing yourself isn't a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle. Keep learning, keep improving. Every day, ask, am I better than I was yesterday? Read books, take courses, seek mentors. The moment you stop growing is the moment you start dying. You have one life. Stop wasting it. Stop complaining. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start today. Fix your mindset. Fix your habits. Fix your circle. Build the life you deserve. The world needs the best version of you, so get to work. Like, share, and commit to your growth today.